Good day, traders. Hope you guys enjoy your time with your family and friends this weekend as the market close. We're gonna take this opportunity to take a look for the mapping session and the key level, finding key levels on gold spot against US dollar for the coming weeks. All right, so this coming weeks is the second week of our month, which is we already 1 week played for our monthly swing trade. So we're just gonna take the second week, take this opportunity to take a look at our chart for the week 2, and I'm gonna give slowly a breakdown. I'm gonna take a look at the monthly, the week, and the daily chart. All right. First of all, I'm gonna take you guys to our monthly charts. So if you take a look at our monthly charts, we can see that the price is keep on going up. The price keep on climbing up, making a rally, but the thing is, we don't see any fair value gap on the monthly candle. All right, there's no fair value gap on this monthly candle. That means that there's a possibility that the price will keep on going up. Now we're gonna take a look at our weekly. Also must be saying the same thing. There's no fair value gap that needs to be filled, unless down here there should be a fair value gap, which is, I'm not sure it's going to be going down once more. And we take a look at the daily charts. Now this is, you can see at the daily charts over here, which is our discount is on this level over here. The discount of daily chart is over here, and the premium is obviously on this level up here. All right, now I already marked our daily bullish order block. This is our order block for the daily candle, because we can see that the price market order grabbed the order from down here, started to rally, entering the premium price, and started to go down once more, and then once more they grabbed the order on this level. So we have a daily bullish order block over here. Right now we can see, if we take a look at the hour 4, we take a look at the hour 4, you can see that we have a lot of key level for our hour 4. First of all, I'm gonna start with the discount price on this level over here, and we have a premium on this level over here. Now take note, our key level has been respected once over here, which have shown our butterfly harmonic pattern. So that means the price tap into our premium, the past premium over here, and respect the price over there, and start to go down, and entering our daily bullish order block over here, where the price recently grabbed order and then started to show a sharp harmonic pattern, which is a retracement. Could be a retracement, because we can see that there's gaps that hasn't been filled. Over here we have a gap that hasn't been filled, and over here there's another gap that hasn't been filled for past weeks. So that means the price wanted to make a retracement into this gap and then continue to the bearish momentum. All right, now if we take a look at all time frame right now, it's actually a bearish momentum. All right, so we have a strong we have a daily, first we have a bullish movement, and then we started to have bearish movement from our all-time high. It's like this, and then we have bullish once more. Now the bullish has shown an exhaustion. That means we are entering the bearish movement once more. All right, so that's for our daily, and our hour 4 also saying the same thing. From the all-time high, bearish, and then started to go bullish once more, and it shows exhaustion, and we are right now entering bearish momentum. Okay, now the 1 hour must be saying the same thing, right? Bearish, bullish, and then shows exhaustion on the premium, then started to make like most likely a strong bearish momentum. Now if you take a look at the 15 minutes, now we can see it clearly. You can see clearly over here for the 15 minutes that the price is actually started to go downtrend. All right, so we have strong bullish momentum, shows exhaustion on this level right now, and then we have started to see a strong bearish momentum right now. Okay, so back to our hour 4 candle. What I want you guys to see is our key level. Right now we have a discount, premium, and 2 bullish order block over here, which first has shown a harmonic pattern of shocks, and down here we have the bullish order block, which is the latest change of character. Then we have change of character over here, which means change of character bearish, goes up, make a change of character, and then shows a strong bullish momentum. And for our bearish order block, you can see there's two bearish order block, and it's actually the first one is aligned with our daily bearish order block, right? So it's aligned with our daily bearish order block, so this is a strong selling area over here. All right, we have a change of character. The price enter back into the best over here and then started to go down, and also saying the same thing, it shows change of character on this level, which is saying that the price most likely going to shift momentum, because here we have a break of structure, and enter our break of structure, goes down once more. That means we have a break of daily breakout over here. We have a external break of structure on this level over here, right? This is the external, which is the align with our daily bullish order block and daily breakout, and also align with our H4 bullish order block. Okay, then so we have the external break of structure, which is right now the price is making a retracement into our making a change of character, and then we see that the change of character once more going to the bearish movement, and it's entering on this level over here. Now we probably gonna see that the price starts to tap into this level and then started to hardly goes down very hard, started to drop very hard. All right, so this is with the order block, what we can get from our order block. Now our another key level, which is the daily bullish order block over here, as I already explained, it's aligned with our H4 order block. All right, then we have resistance become support, which is the previously also saying the same thing, which is the resistance over here, and now it becomes a support. So we have here a new resistance, another resistance becomes support on this level, and we have a support become resistance that aligns with our bearish order block. That means if the price break this level, it's gonna be a strong movement, but we have to be careful. With this break on this level over here, because we can see it's a support become resistant, but over here we have another support become resistant, but the history of the price over here is actually a lot of liquidity happen. It's a base, and also a lot of liquidity happens. You can see equal low, equal highs, and equal highs, equal lows. There's a lot of liquidity on this level. So if the price break this level over here, we can aim only on this level, and just be careful when the price reach this level and reach this level over here. Now what with this key level over here, this one is actually different from what I've already shared with you guys. This key level over here is where we're gonna observe if the price either gonna break the equal high or equal lows. Why? Because that means the liquidity pool has ended at the moment, at the price over there. The price already finishing the liquidity pools. That means it's gonna be a strong breakout after that. All right, so but that is for our support become resistant liquidity price. And another one, the last key level, which is support become resistance over here, which is not really a strong one, but we have a support over here going to the all-time high and become a resistance on this level over here. It's also become a resistance once more over here, support become resistance, and now we have the second one, support become resistance on the same price level. Okay, so that means if the price break this resistance over here, we can aim at the top to take profit. It's gonna be a strong rally into our daily breakout all-time high line over here. Right, already put the external breakout, break of structure, which I'm gonna say break of structure. This is my this is how I trade. Okay, this is how I make an analysis, and this is how I make the structure. All right, so maybe your ways will be different, but this is how I do it, and it's profitable to me. I don't know what you think, but it's profitable to me. I'm comfortable with it, so we have our own way to trade, right? But for now, this is the way that I'm comfortable with. So with our analysis, with our mapping, our key level over here, right now, as we can see that the price is making a strong, started to make a strong bearish momentum. And if you take a look at the real strength index over here, the level of the price over here is actually making a lower high, and also saying the same thing, it's making a lower high. All right, so we have a lower low on this level, and the price started to making a lower high once more. You see the price is actually lower than the previous candle over here. The candle is actually lower than this candle over here. All right, let me just mark it for you. This is lower, but the real strength index saying that this level over here, this one is higher than the previous one over here. That means we have a hidden bearish divergence incoming. Right, hidden bearish divergence incoming. So that means we can started to find an opportunity to enter a trade on the sell. All right, so my bias for this coming week, I'm not gonna say bearish or bullish, but I will say it's gonna be a ranging week, because it's the second week. It can be a ranging momentum for the gold spot against US dollar, unless there's a news about our geopolitical economy. All right, you can see the price is actually not compressing. The price is not actually compressing, but it's gonna be, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a ranging movement for this coming week around this level over here, right, for the daily charts. So that means for the hour 4, we can use the hour 4 to find an opportunity to enter our trade. When the price enter our key level, maybe the resistance becomes support, our support become resistant, we can take a look at the lower time frame to find the opportunity to enter our trade. Maybe you want to buy, but my advice for the buy is actually a short one. But if you wanna go for the sell, I'm not gonna say I highly recommend, but it's my bias, is you can a good choice for you to make is actually a sell trade, because all time frame started to show the starting of the bearish momentum. So the scenario, if it's going to be a bearish momentum, I would say that price open over here, started to go grab the order, and then fill the gap once more over here, and then started to go down. We can aim at our daily bullish order block, or we can go lower. That's the price, that's the scenario if you want to go sell. All right, okay, so what if we want to find the bullish momentum buy? So This is not my bias, but I'm going to show you if the price says different than what I'm saying. So if it's showing a bullish momentum, the price must break this level first, right? So let's say the price open here, break into this level, entering our change of character, and then we have a break of structure over here, and we can aim for this level over here. So this is for the buy, right? For the bullish trade, bullish momentum trade. Now if I want to say ranging, it's gonna be around this level over here. All right, it's gonna be around this level over here. But once the price break this level, we can start to go for the buy. Now, this is my scenario for both of the bearish and bullish trend, the bullish and bearish momentum. But for me, for this coming week, I'm gonna go for the sell. I'm trying to find opportunity to sell, because all time frame showing the same thing. And also we can see that there's a gap here. There's a gap when the market open. Also we can see that the price has a gap on this level. All right, so we can see that the gap has been filled over here and then started to make a bearish momentum, and this one is already obviously has been traced and goes down. So what I'm gonna see is it's gonna be a bearish momentum until our daily bullish order block over here, right? So once the price goes back into this level over here, then we can start to find buy position. It could go any lower, but once it breaks one of the skill level, then we can go for the buy, right? So that's it for me. That's it from me for this coming week. So I hope you guys can understand what my breakdown, my key level, my mapping session. You can take a screenshot of my mapping over here. I'm not sure it's gonna be uh, confusing or not, but I hope it's not confusing for you at all. All right, so you can take a screenshot and we just take a look. And what we want to do this coming week is monitor when the price enter our key level. All right, so it's not gonna be a long game right now. It's not gonna be a long game. It's gonna be fast for this coming week, but with a lot of liquidity. It's gonna be a ranging week for this coming week. That's it for me. All right, that's what from me. We just take a look, monitor the price reaction when the price enter our key level over here. But remember, my bias is still bearish. All right, my bias is still on the sell. So you can do your own analysis. You don't want to use mine, don't take 100% what I say. You can do your own analysis, you can do your own research, and if you have anything to share, you can leave on the comment section. Maybe there's something that I'm missing, maybe there's something that you know better than me, so you can share it on the comment section. All right, so hope you guys have a good trade this coming week, have a profitable week, and trade carefully. All right, see you guys next time.